Hey guys, it's Kristina. So today I have another Fashion Nova haul, and as you can see I have a new background, so I did move houses. If you didn't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, basically you should, because I post everything on there. I post stories every single day. If I don't post a lot on YouTube, that's where you can find me. But basically I moved houses the same day my car ran out of gas as I was moving houses, and then the same day I had to go to Virginia. So I didn't even unpack, so I just got back. I still haven't unpacked. As you can see, my room is still kind of a mess, but I wanted to film this haul for you guys. I just got the package as soon as I got back, so I'm really excited to get started. As you guys know, I love doing these hauls for you guys. I've been doing them for years, but I also started doing them like lookbook style, where I try the outfits on and do like a little lookbook for Instagram with music. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I'm so excited. Like, I love editing with like the music and be very like creative and have fun with it, so go check them out. If you haven't seen the two lookbooks that I just posted on my Instagram, I will link them down below in the info box, so be sure to check them out. So I've got a ton of outfits here and also shoes. So first of all, I love the two-piece Fashion Nova sets. This one here is so summery. This one is actually called Night in Costa Rica set in black and green. I've got my order pulled up for you. So this is the top, and no, I'm not holding it upside down. These are not straps. They actually go on the sides because they're part of like this long stripe that goes on the pants as well. I love the material. It's super soft, very like lightweight, so perfect for summer. And I just love how this looks. You know, it's so tropical and sexy because it has a slit down the side. You can rock this with some heels, wedges, sandals, honestly, like flats, like whatever you want. It's very versatile. It's like cash, but it's also dressy. Like, you can make it very nice and dressy if you're like on a tropical destination, vacation, like with some heels, some gold jewelry, make it like bomb with some like highlighter and a tan. It will look so bomb. But you can also dress it down with some sandals during the day. Oh my god, this traffic, can you guys hear this traffic? Like, if you guys can hear it, like, I'm so sorry, because I will go film somewhere else next time I film, because this is my first video in this apartment, in this room, because, so I hope you can't hear that. But anyways, I got this in a size small, and it was $44.99. And I do have a discount code for you guys, which will give you 20% off with the code KThroughChocolate. I'll put it right here, as well as down below in the info box, so you can just copy and paste it at checkout, and that goes for any order on their website. So I've got some dressy ones as well as like more fitnessy ones. So this is called the Look Who's Talking set in navy, and I love the skirt, how it drapes down. It's so cute. A lot of these styles have the drapey skirt, I've noticed, and I love that because it makes me think very like tropical, just kind of summery, you know. But this print is really like different and cool. As you'll see I have some tropical outfits as well. I love this style because it's, again, very like summery, just like flowy. So it's like in between a short skirt and a dress, but it's not like tight skirt where like you might have like your belly or pouch like showing, if that makes sense. But this way it's like still sexy without being like really tight on you. And I feel like the whole like flowy vibe is still very sexy, but also casual, not like over the top sexy, you know what I mean? So this one I also got in a small, and it was $42.99. Then I got another set. Surprise, I love their sets. So this one is so gorgeous. It's coral, and it crisscrosses like that in the back, and the straps are adjustable, just so you know. Then you tie it to make it your own size, and the material is super soft. I love it. And then the pants are like that. They are super wide, which I love that style. Again, really flowy, soft. I love that kind of look for the summer. And I love the waistband because it kind of will sit up on your waist, if that makes sense, to kind of like make your waist look a little bit smaller, because it's not like tight on it, it just kind of sits like that. So because the band is kind of like rigid, if that makes sense. And the model, she's also got like this gold belt with the pants on the website, which I think will look really cute if I can get like a thin chain of a belt with it. I think that would be really dope. And the model actually is the girl that was in Zayn's new music video, you know, playing his girlfriend. Like, my last girl, she actually, we were talking about the video, she actually thought that was Gigi, and I was like, no, it's not. Like, it's a model. And she was like, no way. And then, yeah, it is. But it's so funny. But I love their website, and their models are so hot. So this set is called Do You Wanna Bet? And this one is in rose, but they also have it in two other colors. So they have it in white and yellow, but they're a little bit different of a style. So make sure to just check out the website. And I got this in a small, and it was $37.99. And then I have this set here. This is called the Queen Roar set. I love it. So it's just plain black. So the top is plain like that. The skirt is everything, especially that they included the belt. Like I said, the pants, the pink ones, they don't have the belt that you saw on the website. So it's really cool that I saw the picture on the website with this belt and it actually comes together with the skirt, if that makes sense. Like together with the skirt, it's in there. And again, it goes from like short to long, so you have this long trail. It's super, super cute. I feel like this camera is like not really picking up the colors as well. I had to change cameras because my last one broke, so this one is a little bit different. So let me know how you guys like it, but I hope it's okay. And again, don't mind the mess in the back, we're just gonna ignore that, okay? So anyways, like I said, this is called the Queen's Roar set, and the set's small, and it was $39.99. And I did get a pair of wedges from them to go with all of these outfits. So actually these also come in nude, and originally I wanted to get the nude ones, but they sold out of my size, unfortunately, so I had to get the black. But I feel like still they go with pretty much any outfit if it has a bit of black in it, even the pink one, and some black accessories like a black watch, and make it work, you know what I mean? Throw some gold in there, you know what I'm saying, make it look cute. So I got these in a 7, and these are called the Walk Away With Me wedge in black, and it was $32.99, and it also comes in red and, like I said, nude. But they did sell out of my size. They do have other sizes still available for the nude, so I would just check it out, because literally Fashion Nova sells out so fast out of like everything. So like whatever's trendy and popular, bam, it's gone. So check it out fast. So I can actually wear those black wedges with this set too. This I think is like a kind of in between a cash daytime and a nighttime outfit, so you can do both. This is called the Win the Race checkered set, and black and white. So basically there's like the black and white part, and then you have the thin mesh part covering it up, because at the bottoms it almost looks like a bathing suit underneath, and it's like high-waisted, but I'm really, really into it. And I think that there is a trend going on with the whole like checker flag thing, because the last haul I did for Fashion Nova, I had the checkered bikini in there, the red and black and white, so I think that's totally going around. So I got this one in a size small, and it was a $32.99. Then I have this one. This one is called the Keep It On The Low set, and I think it's more of a sporty look. It's got like that thin stretchy material, but the pants, if you look on the model on the website, they actually flare out like that. It's very like 70s vibe. So I think you can totally rock these during the day, like very casual, but also at night. If you can make it work with some heels, I think it'd be kind of like both. Again, really, really soft, thin material. So again, this was in a small, and I got it for $24.99. And then last but not least, I have these two items. So these actually came separate. You can see it wasn't like a set. So these are called Not Your Average Active Leggings in red, and they're actually kind of like a thicker material, which I like, because again, it's not going to show like everything, and then it has this really thick band to kind of hide like your pouch, you know. So I got these in a small, and they were $17.99, and they also come in pink, burgundy, and black. And then I got this top to go with them. So this is called the Gianna Sports Bra in red, and so the leggings have the 2 white stripes, and then this has the white and black stripes. So I think like shoes that would have black and white, or just plain black or plain white, or even red and black and white, like anything would go with the set. So I think like a black and white sneaker would totally go with this. And I think it's a really, really cute outfit, like not just for working out, but just like running errands around town. I feel like LA is so casual with that. Like everyone wears fitness wear, which I've started doing. And then when I went back to Virginia and I see like people don't do it, I'm just like, what? Like my friend is like, oh my god, you're always wearing like fitness stuff, and I'm just like so used to it now. But like, let me know if you guys are into that too. But I'm talking about like really cute sportsy stuff like this, not just like a big XL t-shirt and just like, you know, like pajama looking things. But I'm so into it now, and I started doing a Zumba literally like every single day if I can, if I'm not like sick or traveling. I'm like trying to do it every single day. I actually got certified to teach it, so I'm gonna start doing classes online as well as in person. So if you're in the LA area, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm really, really excited, so definitely keep up with me on my Instagram. I always stream my classes, stream like any classes I attend, like hip-hop, Zumba, whatever, on my YouNow channel, which I will link all of that down below. So just follow me on Instagram, Twitter, YouNow, Twitch, like Facebook, I don't know what else is there, Musically, so many things. So just add me and let me know which of these outfits was your favorite, and I will be posting lookbooks for these outfits on my Instagram as well, so be sure to check them out. Follow me on there. I feel like this camera keeps like unfocusing. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't know if it's lighting. We don't know. We're trying to make it work. I just really wanted to film this haul ASAP for you guys as soon as I got the package, even though I'm not totally moved in, but I also want to start vlogging, showing you guys my life. And if you want me to post any of my past vlogs from like the past few months, let me know, because I can totally still post them. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell down there so that way you always get notified when I post. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.